with the possibility of a correction later on. We've never seen two big corrections in 1 year or in the same year. So I take historical context, into my analysis too. And I think that will serve well here, especially with everybody thinking, there's a lot of people on X and stuff that are shorting the market ahead of Jerome Powell, and that's not a wise move. Um, for me, I like to wait so I know the general direction, and then I can kind of do my structure and analysis off that. Um, but anyways, I like Microsoft right here. We're breaking out of the downtrend. We may come back down here and test this area. Then that'd be the area I'd want to be at. Nvidia is breaking out. They confirmed that they can sell their H200 to China, and I believe with the Fed cutting rates and like a good forecast or a good tone, like a dovish tone, I believe Nvidia will go out here and take these highs up here at 211. But that's why I wanted to kind of update with the risk and everything. There is a risk that he could come out uh, cautious, and this could affect the market. That's why I'm going to wait till after. But I'm thinking the way this looks, I'm thinking we're going to go up here. And I'll be looking at Nvidia, Micron. My main focus, like for me, is Microsoft and Nvidia. Those are two companies I like, but Micron, and the only reason I want to mess with Micron is because I bought them at $65 and I sold them at 95. So I was pretty sick about that. I mean, they're at 250 now, or they've hit 250, and I sold them for like a 30 or $35 profit. So, but this stock has been on a tear, and it's probably one of the better stocks in the market right now. Amazon's kind of bearish right now because I think a friend of mine told me that they're possibly going to buy USPS, and usually these when a company's trying to buy another company, it's kind of bearish on the stock at first, just like the Netflix deal. Netflix is seeing bearish prices also. But obviously, I think these are great stocks. I mean, long term, if you got long term outlook, Amazon, Netflix, I think they're great buys, and they've been great companies for a long time. Uh,